that the kit sends with you. So I want to use two of these, connect it on the farthest point, and then put them on the same. Alright guys, I got a few things in the mail that I got done, and I got some vinyl now on my window for the kind of sunblock right there where the mirror goes. I was having issues with the sun getting through. Since this is a straight race car, hashtag because race car, I don't have any visors or anything on the roof, so put that up there so I would have a permanent visor. Also, I got a 5-mirror wink, bought it online. There were cheaper grades and more expensive ones. This one had some really good views. I can throw the link below on which one I picked up if you wanted to know. It comes with good hardware and stuff. So I was kind of messing with it. I got brackets. I picked up $2 more worth of extra hardware so I can mount it a little bit different for me. Everyone's different. It might be harder for you if you still have your headliner on and your visors in. You can definitely use that spot. That's where I'm going to use the visor was, and it worked out perfect when I kind of had it up there. It was just really close, and so I'm going to try to push it back a few inches, get it closer to the mirror. So I'm going to first put these brackets together with the extra hardware I have. A piece of hose, a fuel line actually, I'm going to put on the end of the brackets. When I get that all together, I'll show you how that's all together. This cost me nothing because I had it. These cost me 4 bolts with locking nuts. Cost me like $2.20 at the local hardware store. I just picked up the bin, and then the mirror cost me I think like 21 or 22 shipped to my house. So let's go through the process of putting in this wink mirror. So here's a rundown of some of the hardware. The screw up top, that's actually from my mirror that I'm going to use to mount, and it's the same screw size as the visors. So I just got some locking washers. That's the hardware I got. It's 10mm coarse thread with locking lug nuts, and then here's the brackets that the kit sends with you. So I want to use two of these, connect it on the farthest point, and then put them on the same side so I can still slide it to adjust it. And then I'll leave one side looser than the other because the mirror fits in the slot on these, so you can adjust up and down and turn it. So I'm going to go ahead and work on getting this together. The hose piece, it goes on one of these lips, just in case that's rubbing up against the window. I don't want it to mess it up, so I'm going to put a little piece of rubber on top of that right there. So let me get them together and I'll show you my end result there. Alright guys, here's the bracket. So let's loosen these. I can still slide it around. They're just not as loose as putting them on my fingers, by your finger. And then here's that piece of rubber that is slid over the top. So when this gets mounted up here, like so, that rubber will be able to sit on the window. So we'll give it a try. Here's the great wink of all its glory, and a bag of kind of useless hardware. But yeah, let's get it up on the car. guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode. Hopefully some of the information was helpful for you, at least to see what you're getting yourself into. It's fun putting the 5-panel or wing mirror on the car. It's super useful. I know other people have wide-angled ones they can snap on and stuff like that. I wanted something a little more permanent, so I went with this, and it was just a bolt-in. Headliner was gone, and my visors were already gone, so that took a lot of the process out. The mirror was off already too, so it's kind of gives you an idea. You may run into something different. You might have to change what you're doing, how you have your brackets, whatnot. This just kind of what I did on this EF sedan platform with it already stripped out. But if you like what you see, make sure you give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and comment below. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. I'm on Instagram a lot more of all that, so go check that out. Also, if you want to support the channel, go on and click the link below, become a patron, and help us continue these builds. Hopefully have some classic JDM things, restoration, restore projects coming up. Also, Nissan Datsun project, something front engine, rear wheel drive, manual, drifting, sliding, fun stuff. So we got a lot in store. Go on and support us with that. Again, thanks for tuning in to Sport Motorsports.